Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to compare document versions using version history in Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and make sure you are signed in. Next, click File, Version History, see Version History, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H to open the history panel on the right. Then, scan the list of timestamps on the right and click any version to load it. Google highlights additions, deletions, and edits so you can immediately see what you changed. After that, if you want to label a version for easy reference, click the three dots next to a timestamp and choose Name this version. Type a name and press Enter. If you prefer to restore an earlier version, click the version you want and then choose Restore this version. Your document will revert to that snapshot while the previous state remains available in the history. Finally, to compare two versions, open a version from the list, note the differences highlighted in the document, then click another timestamp to switch. The colored edit makes it simple to review changes between snapshots. You can also make a copy of any version by opening it and selecting File, Make a Copy. And that's it, guys. Version history makes tracking and comparing edits easy and lets you restore or name important snapshots. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.